Floppy.
Hello.
Hi, it's me, Andre. Sis Hello, it's me, Asha Tayo, the owner of this YouTube. I have a brother named Tito Andre. Well, take off. Oh, hell no, bro, guys. We are so cool. You must run. Nope. Him not. He's coming to go. Bro, is that a black figure? I really don't know. Just go to it. Or is that a black figure? I really know it is that black figure. Or the from the starting, the beginning. No, that's from the strongest battlegrounds. Hell no, we're cool. You must run. Or he will kill you. You must run! Bro, your run is running fast. Man. Your run is running. Is bird still chasing? Yeah, she's still chasing. Can he climb? I don't know if he can climb. I don't know. He can climb or Bro, just go in the stairs, man. Bro, just go in the stairs. No, okay, fine. Bro, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm cool. What's this? Behind the statue is brown. That's a fancy device. Where's the moon? No, there's behind the king.
I found you!
I want to see what is here. Bro, he cannot fit. Now he's tall and skinny. What? Bro, what did he even do? Bro, how he can fit in there? He got in there. I'm kinda scared. Bro, he will grab people and kill them. And that doesn't make any sense. I'm safe. He is down. trick him? Yeah. Who did he found? Oh, forget. That's who
Oh, yeah.
I saw him. Why you look like that? Bro, you are from for the like that.
Like this.
Kita siya. Okay, guys, talk about what happened.
Let's see what's happened if you die from the monster.
Yeah. I still didn't able to.
Warning.
Warning, this is a jump scare, please. Please, this is not for kids. Don't you kids jump scare your annoying little sibling or cousin if he's annoying you. Or don't that for it's not even safe. Let's warning, this is now a jump scare. Be careful, this is not even safe for the kids. It will give you nightmares at nature. And how it doesn't even catch me.
Bro, he only catch him. Bro has Uno. Like Bojo.
Bro, I think he likes me, but I don't even care. Like, just ignore that, guys. This is a warning jump scare.
Wait for it.
Please do not watch this if you don't
Wait
like
for
jump
it.
scares. This is the jump scare now.
Wait for it.
I found you.
It can jump scare your little sibling or your annoying kids.
Even your little brother.
Yeah. Or your annoying little sis. Alright, let's just continue the game. No more yapping. I'm yapping too much.
Bro. Go to the water. Go to the water. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Oh my god, yeah.
I told you it's coming.
Can he fit in the stairs? Where is he now? That scared me.
Yeah, me too. Bro,
I hope your little annoying cousin or your annoying little sibling got jump scared by that and get nightmares. Oh god. This sounds like
Don't play this game. Only 8 to 9 to 10 years old only.
yeah,
Not for 5 years old and 6.
yeah, only 7 years old to 6 to 70. Because this is a scary video. If you're still 7 years old and you don't like jump scare, please do not watch this, please. So you won't get jump scared by its scary face.
It's not allowed.
If you are my subscriber, thank you. Thank
Bro,
you for
bring the
if
maker
you're-
is stuck in there. Bro,
No, get it. How is that impossible?
Bro, it's not smaller. Oh,
They stole it at him. That's glitch. Time to jump. Let's jump scare your little annoying sibling or your annoying little cousin. Hear him.
do not try this game. It's very creepy. Please do not try.
This looks so real. This one.
Do not play this at 5 years old age. And for
What is it? What is his face? Even showing. Like he's shy. I don't know why.
even showing her mouth, even her teeth, it's more disturbing. Has blood.
Yeah. Please do not watch this. But at least I'm still 7 years old. So tell me in the comments how old are you? Please do not watch this if you're still 5 years old or 6.
I found you.
He's only allowed.
I
Allowed
found
for
you.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's only.
I found you.
That's just on my what am I inviting?
I know you're bestie.
Yeah, it's Anastasia. It's Anastasia? Okay, not Anastasia.
Bro, stuck forever on the house.
Bro, mom is kind of...
Bro, I can.
Oh my god, he's Skype. Wait a minute. I know why. How can he get in here? I know the clue. I know everything.
Oh, he climbed here so he can kill people.
Oh no, he's coming. Oh god. Lord, this is a dumb scare. If you watch this, please do not cry because I'm gonna slap you again. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, my subscribers. Yeah. And that was a boy named Toto Andre. Say hi to Toto Andre. And you know Toto Andre, the YouTuber that you guys watch? Never mind, just oh my god, this was so
I already got 1,000 views on YouTube.
Yeah. Remember him, right?
And I got 33 subscribers.
Where's even the
33 likes. And then
oh, do not mind that little voice because it's my little sister. Well, she's playing now in her phone. Gosh, where is it even? Well, I'm gonna open it. That's all, guys. Bye-bye. Sorry if it's that too long and you want to watch. Well, I've got to send more later. Okay, bye.